I am Honorable Lekwa Gure, the Minister for Civil Aviation and a member of the Ministerial Committee on the coronavirus or COVID-19. By now, all of us are aware that the new strain of the coronavirus is going around the world, which the World Health Organization has now declared a pandemic. As of now, there have been more than 160,000 cases in 125 countries, with more than 6,000 people dead. Although these numbers may sound alarming, it is also important to note that more than 95% of the cases have or will recover from the illness. And so far, we do not have any confirmed cases in Papua New Guinea. The government is doing all it can to prevent the virus from entering our shores. But if it does, there are things about the virus that you must know and actions that all of us must take to protect ourselves and those that we interact with, including our loved ones. Firstly, the virus can be transmitted from person to person through coughing and sneezing or unprotected physical contact with a person who is already infected. Secondly, one can be infected by droplets from coughing and sneezing on surfaces such as desks, tables, telephones, doorknobs, etc. Remember, when a person contracts the virus, it can take up to 14 days incubation period before it can manifest itself. The symptoms are similar to those of the common flu, such as fever, headache, sore throat, aches and pains, runny nose, dry cough, and difficulty in breathing or shortness of breath. Although there is no vaccine treatment for the virus yet, there is no need for panic. Simply treat the symptoms. Drink warm water with a slice of lemon, keeping your throat moist, and use natural vitamin C fruits such as lemon and oranges, and if need be, take a flu shot. As we all say, prevention is better than cure. If you develop the symptoms, isolate yourself to prevent passing the virus to others. Observe personal hygiene. Wash your hands with soap and water for more than 20 seconds, or use an alcohol-based sanitizer. Cover your nose and mouth when coughing or sneezing with a tissue or flexed elbow, and avoid close contact with anyone with cold or flu-like symptoms. Thoroughly cook meat and eggs and avoid unprotected contact with live, wild, or farm animals. Avoid spitting in public, and avoid touching your face, nose, mouth, and eyes. Wipe surfaces like desks, tables, telephones with a disinfectant regularly. In our efforts to prevent the virus from arriving on our shores, or if it does eventually arrive, the best way to contain the virus is through social distancing. If you develop the symptoms, isolate yourself from other people. Avoid public gatherings such as parties, church gatherings, house cries, and the like. If you are going to cough or sneeze, walk away at least 1 meter from other people. And if you're in a village, do not make unnecessary trips to towns or cities. So let's conclude this message with these 5 points. Firstly, the best way to control the spread of the virus is through social distancing. Secondly, practice personal hygiene, not only for this event, but at all times. And thirdly, drink water to keep your throat moist. And fourthly, use vitamin C. And last but very importantly, share this information with everyone in your circle. Thank you and God bless.